Welcome to Daily Talk Booster. In today's video, you'll learn 100 commonly used antonyms in English. Each pair of words will help you boost your vocabulary and improve your understanding of English opposites. Let's get started. Section 1, Basic Adjectives.
Big, small. Hot, cold. Fast, slow. High, low. Tall, short. Thick, thin. Clean, dirty. Strong, weak. Light, heavy. Full, empty.
Section 2, Emotions and Feelings.
Happy, sad. Love, hate. Brave, cowardly. Calm, angry. Kind, cruel. Polite, rude. Friendly, hostile. Confident, nervous. Cheerful, gloomy. Honest, dishonest.
Section 3, Actions and States.
Start, stop. Open, close. Win, lose. Rise, fall. Laugh, cry. Speak, silence. Arrive, depart. Accept, reject. Build, destroy. Give, take.
Section 4, Time and Quantity.
Early, late. Old, new. Always, never. Day, night. Before, after. Few, many. More, less. First, last. Ancient, modern. Soon, later.
Section 5, Nature and Environment.
Sunny, cloudy. Wet, dry. Hard, soft. Smooth, rough. Deep, shallow. Cool, warm. Heavy, light. Open, shut. Clear, foggy. Natural, artificial.
Section 6, Lifestyle and Society.
Rich, poor. Urban, rural. Alive, dead. Private, public. Safe, dangerous. Legal, illegal. Right, wrong. Busy, idle. Safe, risky. Fair, unfair.
Section 7, Personality and Character.
Honest, dishonest. Loyal, disloyal. Humble, proud. Active, lazy. Mature, immature. Optimistic, pessimistic. Brave, fearful. Responsible, irresponsible. Generous, greedy. Serious, funny.
Section 8, Places and Directions.
Inside, outside. In, out. Up, down. North, south. Far, near. East, west. Here, there. Left, right. Front, back. Above, below.
Section 9, Miscellaneous.
Present, absent. Empty, full. Win, fail. include, exclude, truth, lie, agree, disagree, connect, disconnect, appear, disappear, tight, loose, success, failure,
Section 10, Advanced Vocabulary.
expand, shrink, encourage, discourage, permit, forbid, attract, repel, praise, criticize, admit, deny, advance, retreat, increase, decrease, strengthen, weaken, approve, disapprove.
Congratulations! You've just learned 100 of the most commonly used antonyms in English. Keep watching this video to revise and master them all. Like this video, subscribe to Daily Talk Booster, and hit the bell icon for more spoken English content. See you next time.